In 2012, my oldest daughter, Georgia, was 6 and was in 1st grade. It was shortly after Sandy Hook. We were out to dinner and, we had the typical sort of conversation of, what did you do today? And she said, we had a lockdown drill. And I was like, what is that? She proceeded to tell us that if she was in the bathroom, she was instructed to stand on the back of the toilet seat so that nobody could see her feet underneath. That her teacher would lock the door and close the blinds, and then that their instruction was to kneel and face the wall so that they wouldn't see what's going on. So she proceeded to get up from the table and march over to the wall to show us. And when you see it like that and see it as real, it made me want to throw up. I know that people view it as a political issue. I really don't think it is. There should be common sense so that people don't die. My name is Megan Kathleen Cavanagh, and I'm running for the Michigan Supreme Court. Georgia is 12 now and in 7th grade, and they are now learning ALICE, which is an active shooter training. I hate it that this is even a conversation that we have to have. On the other hand, I'm grateful for it, because if it happens, then I want my daughters to have the best opportunity to not be hurt. So it is a real conflict. I think about it in terms of being a judge. There are very few things that are black and white. Their job is to weigh conflicting positives and negatives and come to the best solution that you can under the facts and the law. That is why I think I would make a good justice on the Supreme Court. I have the experience of nearly 2 decades of practice as an attorney, handling cases for clients and for individuals. I helped author a brief that this organization wrote in support of 2 school districts' decision to ban open carry in their schools. I know how to do that job, but at the same time, I have the humility to also know what I don't know, and the ability to make the right decision by listening and considering all the other perspectives. A justice shouldn't be an advocate for one side or another. A justice should be an advocate for the system working fairly for everyone. Everybody stands on equal footing before the court, and that doesn't mean that everybody is always going to win. Of course it can't. But at least if the system is fair, and if you know that the justices who are deciding those cases are committed to being fair, you're going to get a fair decision, which is the best decision for the people of the state of Michigan. And that's really, I think, all that you can ask of a court. My name is Megan Kathleen Cavanagh, and I'm running for the Michigan Supreme Court.